Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you different crafty activities that are full of fun. So let's begin with the first one. Here we are going to show you how we can create this carrot out of just bubble paper sheet. This activity is so good. Let's move towards the another one. Here you may require some colorful sheets of the paper, some of the modeling clay, scissors, and you just have to give some of your time for this one. We are going to make this painting inspired from the mushrooms. This is so cool and easy, best suitable for the kids between the age group of 7 to 8 years. You may require a white colored marker so that you can add more features. Let's shift our attention towards the next activity. You may require empty toilet paper roll and see how I'm just cutting it. Then you just have to make another cutting using the white sheet of the paper in somewhat a circular form. Be careful while you're making use of the scissors because you don't have to hurt yourself. After that, you just have to roll it as apparent on your screens. These will represent some of the beautiful flowers. Here you can make any other use of any other color because I love to make use of the lavender, hence I am just trying to make this lavender colored flowers. Then you just have to make the other features like the leaves for this one. This activity is very simple. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 9 years. This looks so pretty good. Just go for this one. Let's now try to make some of this paper origami technique. For this I am taking this pattern sheet and I am just folding it as shown on your screens. This type of the activities can be performed by just pausing the video so that you can follow the each step in a sequential manner and you don't get confused at any particular step. Just see how I am folding it, how I am rolling it, I am making use of my fingers. This type of the activity is very easy, it's very less time consuming, it's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 7 to 8. This looks so perfect and nice at the end. It looks so good. Just give it a try. These activities are so much fascinating and they just challenge your brain activity. See how butterfly this looks. Let's move towards the another one. Here I am taking this multicolored paper strips and then I am just folding it with the help of the toothpick. As apparent on your screens, I am creating somewhat the curvy type of the look that's shown here. This type of the activity is again very simple. It might be a little bit time consuming but it's worth investing because we are going to create some of the beautiful flowers that too out of the different multiple colored sheets papers. It looks so nice and good. Go for this one. Let's move our attention towards the another activity. Here we are going to show you how we can create this crown look for any king or any queen. It looks so easy. You may require some different sheets of the paper, some of the pearls, glue stick and scissors and you are done. Let's move towards the another activity. Here I'm taking this tissue paper and you can see how I'm just folding it and holding it. Then with the help of the toilet cleaner papers, that is the waterline papers, I'm going to fold it and twist it together. This will represent the antennae of this butterfly. It looks so pretty good and then you can add the minute patterns for the wings with the help of different colors and spread it using the dropper water. It looks so nice and good. Just dry it and see how beautiful this turns. Thank you.